Welcome to Maroon Talk, the only segment, a segment dedicated for anything and everything UP Fighting Maroons. I am Fem Moran, batch 2010 from UP Los Baños.
Che Almero, Tita Che, batch 2001, UP Diliman.
Hello, hello Atche,
Baklas.
we we
Relevant pa ba?
champs again. So yesterday, we beat the NU Bulldogs. Tama ba ako? 79-65 to get
Mm.
the third consecutive Phil Oil preseason championship of the UP Fighting Maroons. Congratulations, UP Fighting
You get,
Maroons. Malupit
you get the
kayo.
perpetual trophy.
And the perpetual trophy na ano, I think ngayon lang ata nabigay yun or what? Basta
Oo, first
kamo
ever kasi na
mag-champion ng
three-peat.
tatlo.
Oo,
Oo.
first ever yung UP na ganon.
Ate,
Wala
being
nang
in the venue
nag-start.
yesterday, kamusta po ang ating experience? I'm
Ah,
sure marami kang
ang
nakita,
dami.
marami kang na
Ang haba ng pila
pansin.
papasok. Ang haba ng pila papasok. Like, pero nag-start naman siya on time. So, parang, siguro yung iba, nag-antay na lang sa labas. Pero sobrang daming tao. Like, puno yung buong lower box. Tapos, patron lower box. Tapos, marami pa rin dun sa upper box ba yung tawag
Ah,
nila.
may
So,
nakaupo sa upper. Okay, sa pep
oo,
squad, kumbaga.
bukod sa pep squad.
Mm.
So,
Ganun ka
marami
puno.
din doon. Tapos the usual mga fans nandoon, mga UP fans, ang dami naka-maroon.
Tapos
Tapos,
may
yung
QMB, di ba?
NU parang, ah, ay, si QMB, excuse me, talagang meron ng ano na mag-champion, QMB nandun. Carl Tamayo,
Carl
Richie
Tamayo, oo nga
Rivero.
pala. Ah, si Richie din.
Sino?
Nandun.
Oo, may picture ako na
Kompleto.
sinend sa inyo, di ba? Tatlo sila na nandun sa isang, parang, okay, champion na to. Wow,
Ayos.
yabang.
Ayos. May ano, tapos may ano pa, di ba? May 3-point shootout, ganun, may...
Hindi ko na inabot yung three-point shootout kasi nga ang haba ng pila sa labas.
Ah,
Pero
so,
dun sa three-point
nagsimula na.
shootout, nagsimula siya parang 4:30 daw. Tapos, we're expecting Terence as our representative. Pero last minute, nag-change siya. Si Nico na yung representative natin.
Mhm.
Tapos yung nanalo is si Reyna Dumamoy
Mamoy.
from NU.
NU.
Yes.
Mga
Mm-mm.
kasama doon sila Amos, no? Andun.
Mm-mm.
Mm.
Mm-mm.
So, hindi mo na
Hindi
napanood
ko na
yun pala, ate.
hindi ko
Hindi sila
napanood siya kasi nung
nag-contest.
pumasok ako, nag-warm up na
Ah, for the
nung
game.
nakapasok ako. Oo.
Okay. Hindi sila nag-ano, no? Slam dunk.
Oo nga,
Slam
wala nga
dunk.
ganun. May ganun ba dati? Wala naman
Wala.
eh.
Wala siguro
Ginawang
mga dunk.
all-star. Ginawang all-star.
Ayan. So, that was the final game of Phil Oil wherein we siguro ewan ko lang this could have been one of the longest na Phil Oil preseason schedules we've had in recent years. Kasi either nga uh, may mga umaalis sa teams for training abroad tapos merong ngayon parang kinonsider nila yun. Kung may magte-training na school na team, i-adjust
Yeah.
na namin schedule nyo. So tama nga naman. Buti nagawa ng ganun and natatapos na. And we get to see the teams as well perform
Mm-mm.
throughout the
Yes.
whole tournament. No? So
Mm-mm.
it's, if I'm not mistaken, June ba nagsimula? Parang June or
Parang
July?
oo,
Oo,
parang June
ganun. Ay, June.
nagsimula.
Or baka nga May pa.
June.
Baka nga May pa, no?
June. Oo,
June.
parang, ay hindi,
Early June.
last week ng May. Kasi parang meron na siya ng mga May 30 na games eh. So,
Oh, ayun. Di ba? Alam ko, meron
mm,
yung
mm,
mga doon eh, no?
mm,
So, kung isipin natin, this is quite similar to the length of a
yeah.
UAAP or an NCAA. Hindi, ewan ko NCAA. NCAA medyo mahaba ngayon eh. UAAP season, no? Yung mga 2 months, 3 months, ganyan. So, more or less, yung ganitong type of scheduling, yung bugbugan sa katawan, ganito yung mga
Mm,
ano, yung sanay tayo na pace. Well, lalo yung players, no? Sa type of play. Okay, sige. Pag-usapan natin yung game. Kasi last game natin, 2 weeks ago, napag-usapan na natin sila when we beat Lasal in the finals. Ako muna, very general lang yung ano ko, yung pinaka gusto kong i-discuss, no? Kasi, pero number one, I really liked how the boys played. I mean, kumbaga yung effort nila yesterday was, it was very, very impressive for me. Kumbaga, I know it's way early. Marami pang buwan na parating. UAP season hasn't even started yet. But parang that performance yesterday was the closest siguro na we could see of a peak na UP Fighting Maroons team. Grabe yung depensa, grabe yung effort nila sa pag-box out, for getting the rebounds. Grabe yung ball movement.
Mm.
Amazing. Ah,
Ang
ka-
bilis.
ha?
Ang bilis ng mga
Ang bilis,
nangyayari.
di ba?
Parang, uy, 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 nakaninig. Hindi ko
Walang
nga alam kung nalilito rin yung ano eh, yung announcer.
kung sino yung may hawak ng bola. Grabe, grabe. So, sobrang na ano ko, sobrang na-amaze ako dun sa ano. Yun yung team na walang bakawan. Yun yung team na kung sino open, go. Kung sino yung, kung kayang mag-advance. Ito yung classic siya na ano eh. Classic siya na mas mabilis pa rin na gumalaw yung team or yung bola kapag pinapasa mo rather than dribble. Okay? Evident, very evident. And what's good there is that yung lead natin or yung pag-control natin sa game, we started it early.
Mm-mm.
Nung halftime, we were up by 9 yata. Mga ganun. Then, it continued in the third quarter, luckily. And we got a significant lead late in the third, heading to
Umabot
the
ng
fourth.
20. Mm-mm.
Oo, gumabot na ng ganun. Kasi nung dulo, nung late game, medyo nag-collapse pa actually. So, kumbaga, yun yung hindi pag-finish strong. Okay?
Mm-mm.
Yun yung hindi pag-finish.
Kasi parang
Perfect
from
example.
20, naging 13 or 11. Parang ganun.
Oo, bumaba ng ganun kasi
Mm-mm.
nagta-turnover,
Mm-mm.
nag-foul, ano. So, kumbaga yung NU pa yung umangat, no? So, kung ako yung coach sa NU, si Mingo, kaya nyo palang ganyan eh. Bakit di pa natin gawin nung simula? Okay, so ganun. So, luckily, we had a big enough margin for us to cruise through that final 3 to 5 minutes of the fourth quarter wherein medyo nagka-gulo-gulo, no? And on NU's side naman, they weren't making their free throws. Yun yung isang malalang ano nila. Tapos, ito naman kasing NU, I mean, tayo, Ate Che, I mean, sanay na tayo makalaban sila not only in the season, but in preseason as well. Di ba?
Yes.
Ilang beses natin sila
May mga
kalaban sa
sunod-sunod na
finals.
araw.
O, ilang sunod-sunod na games yun. And even sa akin, they've gotten high profile recruits kahit pa paano in the past few years. Kaya lang parang if they haven't, kung wala silang makuhang ano, impressive na FSA, medyo hindi talaga lalabas yung ano, yung potential ng team
Lahat.
na to.
Yes.
Doon ako
Correct.
nakakano. Kasi we've seen them, alam na natin to eh.
Kilala na natin
It's a
sila.
physical NU team which they gave us yesterday. Yung scorers nila, point guards, we know kung sino sa pupunta. Si Palacios improving, that's good. Kaya lang, kulang eh. Alam mo yun? Sad to say, yun yung ano eh, yun yung something missing talaga sa nila. So, yeah, unless something miraculous happens wherein, kunyari, maging NBA type of prospect sila humamoy, si Steve Nash Enriquez, for some reason. Yun. Pero other than that, ganun. Ito pa rin yung magiging end yung nakita. They could be final for contenders. However, baka ibang usapan kapag dumating yung finals. Ate Che, what do you think about that game yesterday?
Yan. As you mentioned, ang galing nung ikot ng bola on our side. Yun yung isa sa pinaka highlight compared kung i-compare mo yung game kahapon dun sa unang-unang game natin with Phil Oil. Kasi
Oh.
hindi ko siya ma-compare sa unang game with Pinoy Liga kasi 'di ba? Split tayo into two teams. Pero yung Phil Oil yesterday compared dun sa Phil Oil na first game, sobrang totally different. Kahit pa sabihin natin na ah kasi parang lahat naman na ilaro eh.
Yeah.
Kahapon may parang hindi naglaro si Seven, sabi may sakit daw, si Josh, hindi rin siya
Yes.
nakalaro.
LA.
Oo.
LA.
Si LA at saka si Nico naka-uniform din, hindi nakalaro.
Nico. Mm.
Oo. So, i-run, kasi parang na-mention mo yung free throws nila, free throws ng MU, na hindi nila na-shoot compare dun sa free throws natin. Si NU, nakamiss sila ng 16 free throws compared to us na 9 lang. So, ang dami talaga na nami-miss nila na free. Parang unusual din sa
Oo,
kanila
oo,
na
oo.
nakakamiss ng free throw kasi parang yung caliber nila sa free throw sa mga previous experiences natin. Parang mataas yung percentage nila. Hindi ko lang alam kahapon kung bakit hindi nagugulat ba sila sa pep squad or kasi parang may isang section lang
Na
na
NU.
NU supporters. Tsaka very kitang-kita na yung mga nakamaroon. So, parang
Yes.
feeling nila talagang overpowered sila ng
Could be, could
crowd
be.
ng UP. Yan. Tapos, isa sa mga napansin ko yesterday, very unusual din yung combinations ng player
Natin.
sa floor. Oo, player sa floor. So, tiningnan ko nga, kasi parang sabi ko, usually kasi Harold gets mostly the most
Yes.
minutes.
Yes.
Pero parang yung nilaro lang pala niya kahapon, nasa 12 minutes
Mm.
lang. So, ibang-iba kasi si Jacob, si Rayland, tapos yung more kay Noy Rimogat compared to Janjan.
Yep.
Akala nga namin nung una, parang may iniinda si Janjan, tapos pumasok siya. Tapos parang bago mag-end yung second quarter, oh my God, hindi kasi namin nakikita from our side. Parang, ano nangyari? Tapos parang yung mga tao, eto daw. Tapos sa paglabas ni Janjan, sabi ko, ano nangyari sa'yo? Ayun, may gisgas yung minute niya.
Sana nga okay ka lang dyan. Medyo malala yung ano mo. Pero ang ganda ng
Oo,
assist mo, ah. Ang ganda ng assist
ayun
mo.
nga eh, ang ganda nung assist niya. Tapos parang ang dami ring dunks eh. So parang nakadalawang dunk si Sean, naka isang dunk o dalawang dunk si Francis
Francis,
Torumba.
oh.
So, mm-mm.
Yes.
So overall, as you mentioned, eto na yung it's still not the perfect that
Oh,
we are expecting.
so far, oh.
Pero the way they play, mas ano na siya, mas cohesive na.
Yep.
Parang mas meron na kumbaga na mas nasa tono na. Kasi when you compare it with NU, kasi si NU matagal na rin sila magkakasama eh. Parang the way na i-compare natin sila sa UP team, ganun din yung parang pagiging solid nung team
Mm.
nila. Na-mention mo nga rin kanina na parang yung FSA nila, medyo, actually parang bumaba yung laro niya compared nung sa hindi pa siya nai-injure. Parang medyo wala pa siyang confidence ngayon to play full, parang ganyan.
Oo.
Kasi medyo parang naiiwan siya kahit parang naiiwan siya sa lahat.
Mm.
Parang hindi siya makarebound ng maayos, parang ganyan. Pero overall, yung tama ka, yung NU, contender pa rin sila kasi ang dami pa rin nilang, ang gagaling pa rin nilang mag-shoot ng 3 points. At yung defense nila, very ano pa rin, parang kitang-kita mo pa rin. Ang lalaki kasi rin nila eh. Tinitingnan ko nga nung start nung anong tawag dito, nung nagwa-warm up sila, sabi ko, shucks, parang ang tatangkad nila compared to us. So, na-realize ko, oo nga, no? Kasi parang, halimbawa, Jolo Manansala, he's playing like parang 4 to
Oo,
5.
oo,
Parang
oo.
ganun. Ganun sila katatangkad.
Saka
So,
athletic. Athletic din.
oo, very athletic sila. Very athletic. Matatangkad. Tapos, parang mga mama na rin talaga sila.
Yes.
Kumbaga, siguro nakilala kasi natin sila nung bata pa sila.
Figueroa,
So,
laki ng
full
katawan.
grown. Oo.
Diba?
Yun. Speaking of Figueroa, parang hindi ko siya masyadong naramdaman kahapon. Parang walang masyadong
Production, offensively.
oo, parang wala siyang masyadong impact kahapon.
Mm.
Sine-check ko nga yung ano niya, yung stats niya. Kasi parang 29 minutes pala siyang
Ayan,
naglaro.
oo.
Pero ang dami niya palang sablay. Parang 2 out of 12 siya sa free
Ayan, yung
throw.
mga
So,
ganyang bagay. Yan, di
mm-mm.
ba? Oo.
Pero kung na-shoot, I mean, kasi knowing Jake, talagang alam naman natin kung paano siya maglaro.
Correct,
So,
oo.
yung mga ganun na parang what if na-shoot yung mga yon, what if they made the free throws, maaaring talagang ganun yung laban
Yes,
natin.
yes.
So,
Agree. Totally agree.
kasi parang kaya nila tayong mamain in basketball terms.
Mm-hmm.
So, ayun. Yun yung ano, luckily, yun, winner naman tayo. Tsaka, ayun, isa pang napansin ko kahapon, ang dami ring fouls. So parang kada sa kabila foul, sa atin foul, kada hinga may foul. Parang, pwede bang paglaruin mo na yung mga bata? Naantala eh, gutom na kami, parang ganyan.
Lalo second half, di ba? Second half, medyo...
Nung second half, parang ilang minutes pa lang penalty
Oh,
na.
no fourth, di ba? Penalty ng mga 7, 6 minutes?
Oo, ganun, ganun, ganun,
Ganun kalala.
ganun kalala yung tawagan. But, yeah, ayun. Tinitingnan ko nga ngayon kung ilan yung, ano ba yun, fouls, 35 yung fouls drawn ng NU. Yung UP fouls drawn, 26. Tapos yung,
Okay.
ayun, tama, personal foul kasi yung kabila. So, ang dami talaga.
Mhm.
Isipin mo, 35 fouls per game. So, super
Medyo.
dami niya.
Ang
So, yun.
yeah, production or mis word ba yun? Misproduction
Mm-mm.
nung key players ng NU. Again, I would relate that to UP's good defense yesterday. Kasi nga,
Yes.
the
Mm-mm.
effort was totally electric. Kumbaga they were kitang-kita na they were one unit, both on offense and defense.
Mm-mm.
Aside from that, yun nga, yung last few minutes of the game na medyo nagkanya-kanya or nagkagulo-gulo. So, yeah, yun. And it was evident even off the court na yung energy, kahit sa bench, ako sa TV, kita ko na hype sila lahat. What more kayo dun sa venue? 'Di ba na kitang-kita na full support kahit hindi naglalaro on the bench yung team.
Oo.
Mates.
Parang nakatayo nga silang lahat. Tapos parang every points made by our team, parang sisigawan sila. Parang
'Di
ganyan.
ba?
Tapos pag yung into the timeout, talaga naman, akala mo ano. Parang may isa, hindi ko alam kung maruntok yung nag-post noon. May nag-post ng picture eh, na yung assist ni Terence kay Migs.
Yes.
Tapos, talaga parang alam na nila eh, napapasok.
Yes.
Tapos, after that, nag-time out. Parang pagbalik nila sa bench, parang ang
Hype na hype.
saya-saya nila.
Mm.
Tsaka,
At
ang gaan kahapon nung ano.
ano sila, chill. And
Mm-mm.
again, dun sa mga hindi nakakapansin, dun sa 3 points ni Migs na yun, si Terence nakaganon na bago pa, pagka-release pa
Bago
lang yung
tumapat.
tigil ng ng bola. So, uh,
Parang may basbas, no?
ewan ko na lang kung nagmintis yun. So, hindi ko alam anong magiging mukha ni
Parang
Terence.
lahat sila
Nagmintis.
nakaganon na eh. Lahat sila nakaganon na, pati sa bench.
Siguro yun yung key run nung first half. Kasi dun yung
Mm-mm.
talaga medyo, so talagang big three talaga yun, yung ginawa ni Miguel na yun. And, yeah, so overall, it we lost once, o twice yata, no? Dalawa pa nga tayong
We
talo
lost to
natin sa,
UST. We lost to
Lasal,
Lasal, di ba?
unang game ba? Oh,
Mm-mm.
nung earlier games, no? And yeah, we'll celebrate this championship. Pinaghirapan naman talaga din yung team. And we saw glimpses of uh, the key players, the ones who will be stepping up come the season, more or less. Congratulations as well to Jerry Abadiano, part of the mythical team and tournament MVP, Philoil MVP, and Francis Nuruka, winning defensive the tournament. Okay. So, hindi, wait, bago kay segue, sayang, perfect segue na pala, no? Doon sa magtatanong pala, si Palangka from, Choi, they call him Choi. Tama ba? Palangka, di ba? Yung recruit natin from the NU Juniors, the Bullpups. Yes, he is, doon sa magtatanong, he is eligible for season 88. Kaya lang problema, yung field oil yata, late na eh. I mean, late na siya na-add sa atin, di ba? So I think,
Magsa-start na tayo
nagsimula
ng
na,
fill oil.
oh, may
Magsa-start
parang
na tayo ng fill
certain,
oil.
number of games na dapat kasama ka na sa lineup para
Mm-mm.
makalaro. So, apparently, di siya umabot doon. Kaya we haven't seen him play. At least in this tournament. But we saw a glimpse of him nung sa Tacloban. So, kung napanood siya doon, let us know what you guys think in the comments. And yeah, again, talking about uh, performers and ano ba, highlights more or less
Performers.
of this tournament.
Mm.
Pakita natin at sabihin natin kung paano ba statistically nag-perform ang ating team
Yes.
this Phil Oil tournament.
Okay. Sige.
May
So,
sa mo gusto? Sige, ikaw ba? I'll leave it to you. Saan mo gusto magsimula?
sige. Maybe the stats from the Phil Oil stats site. I forgot I forgot to cite the name of the site. Pero ito yung kasi parang pag sinearch mo yung Phil Oil stats, ito yung unang lalabas. Tapos meron akong stats na per player, tapos meron akong stats for the team. So let's start muna with the stats for the players. So I would want to compare yung performance natin o yung performance ng individual players natin compared to the leader of that stat. So let's start with the average points. So si Precious Momoway, um, siya yung leader with 18 points per game.
Okay. High
18 points
scoring
per...
average. No? Okay.
Oo. Tapos yung sa top 10, kasi parang kinuha ko siya na meron kasing stat leaders. So meron lang siyang leader tapos yung remaining 9. So parang 1 to 10 lang. Yung
Mhm.
rank 1 to 10. So walang kahit isang player natin na
Walang
nasa top
TUP
10.
dun sa stats, sa categories na yun in the top 10.
Na
Parang
average
ganun.
points per game. So parang 18 yun eh. So kahit parang kasi parang kung 18 yun, 18 points per game, yung top natin, si Francis Noruka, 12.6 lang.
Ang average niya.
So
Mm.
sobrang layo. Sobrang layo. Then followed by Jerry, which is 12 din. Tapos
Mm.
Harold at saka Ray Mogat, then Gary Stevens. So, ganun kalayo yung parang ganun kalayo tayo compare or yung players natin compared dun sa leader of the points per game.
Baka nga wala pa
Ayun.
sila dun sa top 20. Or baka hindi naman. More
Hindi
early.
na,
Hindi
oo,
naman
baka
siguro.
naman nasa mga
15
1 to 50.
siguro. Oo, oo. Ganun.
Ayun. So, sa assist naman, so ang leader sa assist, si Jonathan Manalili, ano siya,
Okay.
6.7 assist per game. Nasa, ano siya eh, parang mythical 5,
Ay, oh, Letran. Okay.
letteran. Tayo, number 9. Si Ray Remogat na yon. Number 9, 3.8
Assists.
assists per game.
Ooh. Wow.
Mm. Sa within our team, yung average assist natin, so si Ray is 3.9, 3.6 si Janjan. So yun yung
Oh,
top 2 on
okay. Sorry, ilan si Jan Jan?
3.8 sorry. 3.6, 3.8 sorry. 3.8 si Ray Remoga. Pero yung highest na assist per game, average assist per game si Jonathan Manalili na 6.7.
Mhm, mhm.
So Ray Remogat is just number 9. So ang layo pa rin. Nasa bottom. Nasa bottom of the top 10.
Pero consistent
Eto,
pa rin na dikit sila ni Jan Jan. 'Di ba?
oo, lagi eh.
As we
Kasi,
discussed before.
oo,
Mm.
tama. Lagi silang ganun yung stats nila in terms of assist. Magkalapit lang. Parang dati, ganun nga rin.
Oo.
Point something rin lang yung
Yes.
difference.
Similar, similar.
Oo. Tapos yung rebounds naman, si Francis Nuruka is number 4, which is 9 rebounds per game. Pero yung top sa leader is si Konate.
Buo ko na
FEU,
TFU.
di ba?
Ilan?
Mo Konate FEU. 17. Di ba? Ang layo. Tapos tayo number
Okay.
4.
Top 4 si ano,
Si,
top 4 si Francis.
oo.
Okay.
Oo. Yun siya. Tapos, ang dami nito. Yung isi-send ko na lang to sa'yo. Pero
Yeah.
yung i-highlight ko lang, so yung offensive defensive rebounds, ganun din naman halos. Francis Nuruka at saka Konate.
Tsaka
Um,
sila, sa rebound silang dalawa ang ano, matunog.
Oo, parang na leaders.
Oh, na
At saka
leaders, na
si
leaders.
Momoway, di ba?
And
Si
Momoe. Oo.
Precious Momoway.
Tama. Makes sense, makes
Tapos
sense.
yung blocks per game, si Mo Konate din, 2.5. Number 6 pa rin, si Francis Nuruka na 1.3. Tayo pa
Okay.
din, di ba? Tapos, kapag kinumpare mo siya, yung within our, hindi, later na lang yung within our team.
Mhm.
Tapos steals,
Yan,
steals per
sige, Steve.
game, steals. Na-excite ka pa. Wala tayo sa top 10.
Walang
Na-excite
taga-UP
ka
sa
pa.
top 10. Okay.
Oo, walang tagay sa top 10. Si T-Mac yung number one sa steals.
Sino yun?
2.5 steals per game. Parang Arellano siya. Shucks, I forgot.
Okay.
Oo, parang
2.5.
ganun.
Yun ang number, okay, number
Oh,
one.
basta taga-NCAA siya. Hindi ko sure
Okay.
masyado yung school kung Arellano or EYA. Pero parang Arellano. Hindi ko nalagay dito. Sige. Tapos yung field goals. So, field goal percentage. Field goal percentage. So, yung top is si Mo Konate pa rin.
Okay.
Nasa 59.7%. Kasali naman tayo sa top
Pero
10.
tayo. Sino?
Oh, excuse me, si Jerry. Number 10.
Okay. Number 10 siya. Okay.
46%.
Sa 3
Pero
points.
average, hindi, ano yun eh, ano
Total
yun,
field goal.
field goal. Sa 3 points, si, yabang ko, sa 3 points, 3 point pwede percentage na lang.
Oh,
Kasi sa
percentage.
3 points made, wala tayo.
Okay.
Wala rin sa mga attempts. Sa 3 points made, si Mac Erolon, yung number one, Adamson, 52.3%. Si
Oh,
Matt
taas
Erolon.
nun ah.
Oo. 50, yes. Tayo, syempre, ang panlaban natin, Terence Portella. Pero
Medyo
number
boring na.
10.
Number 10 siya.
Pero number 10,
Ilan?
36.6%.
Ilan ng ano niya? Kita ba dyan? Attempts made?
Wala eh.
Wala.
Teka lang. Ay, wala. Wala kasi tayo dun sa leader ng mga
Okay.
attempts tsaka made.
So number 10
So,
si Terence pa. With 30%. Okay.
tapos, oo. Yung free throw percentage, syempre. Ah, alam mo, ito nagulat ako. Si Jake Figueroa, 89.3% free throw niya.
Siya ba number 1?
Oo, siya yung
Sa
number
number
one.
1. Okay.
Kaya pala, dun sa game last, yung itong last game,
Tapon.
80% yung free throw niya, 8/10.
Okay. So siya
Kahapon
lang
sa
yung
game. eight
okay.
over ten o 10 to, oo. Tapos, ang panlaban natin naman doon, eh, syempre, number 9 si Harold Alarcon. 72.7. Pero number 9. Minsan nga nalulungkot
72.
ako eh. Parang bakit mga
Okay
ganun?
lang.
Number 9 tayo, ganun. Mm-mm. Pero
Mm.
kasi kung titingnan mo yung yung absolute value ng mga stats nila, parang within the average naman siya. It's
Okay.
just that meron lang talagang mga extremes na, halimbawa, si Jake Figueroa na 89.3. So, ang dami din talaga, ang laki rin ng difference niya dun sa number 9 natin na si Harold na 72.7.
Okay.
Tapos, ayun, yun
Yun yung
naman,
individual, no?
yun yung individual. Tapos pagdating naman dun sa teams, yung team stats naman natin, sa points, na parang wala pa rin tayong naging number one.
Saan tayo meron? Yung
So wala
stats.
tayong number one, isa
Oh, hindi.
lang.
Hindi kahit ni number 1. Basta nasa top 10 tayo.
Hindi, meron tayo. Number 2 tayo sa assist, 20
Okay.
assists per game. Number 4 tayo sa rebounds, 39.8 rebounds per game. Number
Okay.
1 doon, FEU, kasi si
Score
Moko
natin.
na
Oh.
So, Swade papunta sa kanya. Number 3 tayo. Ano to? Defensive rebound. Blocks per game, number 5 tayo. 3.4 blocks per game. Pero syempre, FEU, JRU, nasa 4.2 sila. Tapos, the rest, parang wala na. Pero number
Number
1
1.
tayo. Eto, number 1 tayo sa turnovers. I mean, lowest tayo sa
Yeah.
turnovers. We have 13.3 turnovers per game. Ang highest is si Mapua na 18.9.
Sino yung 10th? Sila yung
Sila
10th.
yung
Yung
sila
point.
yung hindi. Sila yung highest kasi ito yung team stats yung team stats sa lahat ko na siya tiningnan kasi ilan lang naman sila, 1
League-wide
to,
yun. League-wide.
league-wide. So 1
10th
to ilan no yun?
yung
Parang 1 to
Mapua.
9,
So
18.
last talaga sila sa liga.
Oo. Last na last sila sa turnover.
Pero yung sumunod sa atin na second, sino yun?
Teka lang ha. Yung sumunod sa atin, 13. 13.4 NU
Dikit sa atin.
turnovers. Oo.
Okay.
Mm-mm.
Ayun, kaya silang dalawa na sa finals.
Mm-mm. 'Di ba?
Ayun.
So, ang huhusay. So, yun.
Yan.
Parang ano lang, very, actually, tinitingnan ko nga rin, so, ang dami ko dibang stats na tiningnan. Tapos sabi ko, bakit lagi tayong huli, wala tayo sa top, tapos tayo yung champions? I mean, syempre, law of averages. Pwede namang average lahat yung players natin. But, meron akong isang nakita, wow, meron akong isang nakitang stat na minutes played. Yung top 10 sa players to sa top 10 wala tayo.
Okay.
So, ibig sabihin, well-distributed
Yep.
yung minutes sa players natin.
Mhm.
Kasi yung pinakamataas is si Moko Nate, which is 36.2. Ang dami
Okay.
masyado. 36.2 minutes per game. So, ang dami niya. Ang daming minutes nun.
Oo.
Pero, ang ano rin kasi tayo, wala talaga tayo dun sa wala talaga tayo dun sa top 10. So, ibig sabihin, lahat ng players natin, nagagamit natin. Kaya, yung mga points din natin is well distributed.
Yep.
Meaning, kung parang ang nakikita ko is kada ipapasok mo, gumagawa siya ng points pero within just the minutes na nandun
Mhm.
siya. So, significant pa rin naman siya. Pero oo. Kasi meron tayong dalawa sa yung plus minus. Tapos very unusual na yung dalawa na sa plus minus natin. Parang hindi mo mahuhulaan. Si Migs Iniguez at saka si Chico Briones. Pero number 9 tsaka number 10 pa rin sila. Huwag ka masyadong
Dulo pa
mag-expect.
rin. I mean, hindi naman
Dulo
sa
pa rin.
baba.
Number
Oo.
1 kasi si Mason Enos.
Okay.
9.5 siya. Tayo 6.3 tsaka 6.0. So
Mhm.
parang ganun yung the way na nadidistribute yung parang binel curve. Parang well distributed din on our side. Mas parang ano tawag dito, mas napapansin lang si Francis Nuruka kasi nga yung mga rebounds, tapos syempre yung mga follow-up. So, nasasama siya dun sa mga 2 points made, ganyan. Pero mga nasa top 5 pa rin lang siya. Hindi pa rin top.
Yes.
Ayun.
Ayan, very well said, ate. Actually, na-explain na ni ate ang ano. Pero in essence, ito lang yan. Kung kita nyo kanina, di ba, wala tayong sa individual stats. Pero, andun tayo sa top ng team stats. So again, what does that say? We play as a team. Unlike others na who focus on one or two players lang and do the work for them. That's what I was saying as well yesterday, yung about the game yesterday. Kitang-kita yung ball movement, ang ganda. Yung depensa, ang ganda. They look for the open man, they find the best shot possible. Actually, yung best shot possible, medyo hindi nakauso ngayon eh. Kasi minsan, kita mo naman si Terence, biglang titira, pull up, from a fast break, di ba? So, may ganun na. But then again, still, from the others, ganun pa rin. I mean, makikita pa rin natin na they still look for the open man. They look for the extra pass. Kung may mas libre, kung kayang ipasa agad forward yung bola, go. Unselfish basketball. And at that, bihira naman ako makita ngayon ng ng bad shots sa team. Yung talagang pilit. If not, parang wala nga. Kasi kung meron, so for sure, sabon sila kay Coach Gold.
Ma-highlight kasi
Oo.
kapag may ganun. Meron pa ngang may mga kahapon, may mga pagkakataon na parang, ba't hindi niya pa tinira? Tapos
Mm.
yung pala, assist pala yung gusto niya na point, na stat, sorry. So parang nung pinasa niya pala, okay, okay.
Kaya,
Yung pa rin pala, parang, siya, hindi pa rin pala yung best na yun. Yung pwesto niya
kumbaga
na yun, hindi
meron
pa yun
pa.
yung best.
Oo, meron pa
Mababa yung
pala.
defender niya. Parang yung mga ganun na,
Yes.
meron pa pala na hindi pala natin nakikita. Feeling ko nga kasi sobrang bilis din nung tapon ng
Yes.
bola
Ang
nila.
galing.
Mm.
And again, yung stats natin siya proves more how beautiful or how efficient our team plays right now. This is what was inexistent before this era of UP Fighting Maroons. And kami inaasam-asam lang natin yung ganitong klase ng basketball na napapanood natin ngayon. And wala eh. The stats speak for itself. Uh, all the more we're top in this as a team, we're top in that as a team. ito yung gusto nating klase ng basketball, okay? Kasi kita naman, para, pwede siyang mangyari na hindi lang isang player ang magiging superstar sa team. Hindi lang isa yung pinapanood natin na at inaasahan natin na magdala sa atin ng panalo. This is how we see a champion team at that perform,
Mm-mm.
how the mindset is as a program at that. This is what we want to impart to the ones coming next. Kasi this core that we're seeing now is the last uh, time we will see them together. Kaya it's nice to see na nagiging lumalabas yung pagka-mature nila all together, yung pagka buhat nila sa isa't isa. So, ang dami kong cliche na pwedeng sabihin, pero nakikita natin right before our eyes na it's coming into fruition. However, having said all of those, again, we are still far from what we want to achieve. This is just preseason. This championship they've gotten yesterday isn't really the tournament we prepare for. Kaya marami tayong abangan from this team. Hindi natin alam kung may abangan pa tayo sa lineup. Hindi tayo sure.
Tanong pa rin eh, no?
Di ba?
Parang, hanggat hindi yata nagdi-day one
Yes, hanggang
ang
hindi pa
UAAP or
malabas yung
hanggat
mga
hindi tayo
jersey
nakakasubmit
yun ng lineup
ng
na official.
lineup.
Hindi natin alam, no?
Ah,
So, things still could change come the season. Hindi natin alam kung the team we're seeing now is gonna be the same come UAAP time. Kaya, tingnan natin. I mean, let's enjoy this win kasi nga, maganda rin naman talaga yung pinakita nila. Something for the community to cheer about, to be happy about. Kasi hindi naman biro din talaga yung mga tinalo natin eh.
yes.
Lasal,
Mm-mm.
UST, NU, those teams
And then
are
nag-cross pa tayo with NCAA teams, diba?
Saka natalo pa tayo. Natalo pa tayo twice, di ba? So, with that, there's so much more to improve on. Kaya, yun, malayo pa tayo. This is just one of the few things na we want to achieve in the preseason. Kasi, again, what we prepare, kaya nga may preseason eh. Buti nga may ganito ng maayos sa liga para mas maganda yung competition at that. So, kaya may preseason for the preparation come season 88. Okay, so yes, it's nice na we get success here, but again, it's not necessarily gonna translate come the season when the season starts. So still, there's a lot of work to improve, and we're sure the players know that as well. Ate Che, what can you say?
Yeah. Ah, meron lang akong isang i-add na significant highlight dun sa stats na meron tayo. Maybe this is one of the reasons why we have succeeded in this Phil Oil League. Kasi because we played as a team. So, yung assists natin at turnovers.
Yes.
So,
Oh,
sa assists
thank
kasi,
you.
we're number two.
Muntik na
We're number
makalimutan.
two sa assist, which is 20. Number one si CSB, which is 21.2.
Mhm.
And then yung turnovers natin is the lowest
Yep.
among all the teams, which is 13.3. So yun yung parang nag-match sila. That's why we made a good parang as a team, parang ganun. So, kasi
Yes.
yun, parang the rest naman would be, we can attribute like to a single player, like the rebounds, like yung mga points. Pero as a team kasi, very significant na number two tayo sa assist and then tayo yung lowest in terms of turnovers.
Kumbaga, kung may stat na no, na mag-encapsulate kung paano
Mm-mm.
kayo as a team
Mm-mm.
mag-perform, if there is such a term,
Mm-mm.
yung assist to turnover ratio yun eh. Kasi hindi ka naman makaka-assist kung hindi na-shoot nung pinasa mo.
Yes.
Hindi ka magkaka-turnover kung walang error yung kasama mo.
Yes.
Gets? So, it all comes into uh, sensibility. O
Mm.
kasi etong stats na to, kumbaga, yun, kapag iningatan mo tong stats na to, dalawang to, malaki yung impact na magagawa niya sa inyo as a team. And it showed. And that's how we won the championship in 87. That's how this team has been performing. That's why this team has been successful in how many years because of this mindset, because of this philosophy that they have been running. The buy-in from the players, from the coaches, from the instructions of the coaches. Kitang-kita natin na ano. So, kumbaga, again, namagyan natin, hindi naman araw-araw Pasko eh. Hindi
Mm.
naman palaging ganyan ang magiging laro. Merong magiging masamang laro for sure, whether it be before the season or during the season. But once we get days like this na talagang everything is clicking, we should be happy na we get to see this type of play from these talented players. Kasi bihira talaga yung ganito. Whether in any level of basketball, whether it be pro, grade school, high school, yung ganitong klase ng chemistry, ng sistema, it's just a thing of beauty to watch. And we are very lucky na yung team natin ang nagpa-perform ng ganito sa ngayon. So, yes, we are very blessed. Okay.
And also, kahit merong isang game that is not that for like far from the one that we are expecting, but if we perform consistently, ma makukuha pa rin natin yung ganitong klaseng stats. Kasi ito, throughout the tournament eh. So, maaaring yung game natin versus DLSU and versus UST, kung saan natalo tayo, baliktad yung stats natin.
Yes.
Pwedeng ganun eh.
Oo.
So, but throughout, if we are consistent, then we get a good ratio of the turnover and assists.
As a whole performance,
Mm-mm.
no,
As a whole
within the
performance,
season, no. Oo.
yes,
So,
within the season.
there may be outliers nga as at the mentioned
Mm-mm.
na performance, pero kung makabawi agad, let's say the next game, then
Mm-mm.
nabalik yung totoong laro ng team, okay
Correct.
lang yun. No? And that's what you've been preparing for. I mean, yun naman yung ano nitong mga preseason games eh, no. It's more of the development. It's more of the how we see the team gel together. Okay, let's say na ito pa rin naman yung core eh. But then again, meron pa rin tayong newbies coming in the lineup. And yung pag-add sa kanila sa team na to from that championship in 87. And if that happens very smoothly, this is gonna be an even more deadly team. Okay. I'm liking what I've been seeing from Sean, from Gani Stevens, Sean Alter. Actually, last game pa, hindi ko na nabanggit, no? Si Sean, I like how he has been stepping up as the some sort of a enforcer that we have in the team right now. Playing mind games with sila Baklaan, sila Phillips. Ngayon, doing the dirty work. Kahapon may ano rin siya, 'di ba? Yung sa pag-agawa ng bola,
Oo, parang hindi niya talaga titigilan
'di
hangga't hindi.
ba?
Actually, ang word ko kay Sean is sobrang na-improve yung confidence niya of
Oo.
playing.
Mm.
Kasi ang nakikita ko na difference niya from last year and then the past last season, kasi parang ang feeling lang kasi kasi bata pa kasi si Sean, feeling lang natin matanda
Tama
na
na
siya
siya.
kasi ang
Oo,
laki niya.
oo, oo.
Oo, pero kasi fresh from high school siya. So,
Yes.
lagi nga yung minimension ko sa'yo, kapag kung napanood natin siya, kung napanood siya ng mga tao nung NBTC days niya na parang wow, talagang kahit ako kung ako yung coach, siya talaga yung kukunin ko. Kasi syempre, pag nag-move ka from one league to another, halimbawa, dito kasi mas mga kasi parang lahat kayo high school. Pag nag-college ka na, syempre may mas mga mama sa'yo. So, yung confidence niya sobra nang nagbi-build tsaka talagang
Yes.
yung pag-step up niya every time na papasok siya quality minutes talaga in terms of offense and defense.
Kumbaga, ano na eh, veteran na siya. Sabihin na,
Mama na siya.
going, going on his third year, di ba?
Oo.
And Gani as well.
Mm-mm. Yeah.
Those two, play like this in the season, we will be in very good hands. Okay?
Yeah.
I mean, sige, given na si Francis Nuruka na maganda yung production niya, maganda yung yung addition niya sa team, yung effort niya
Mm-mm.
on defense and offense. But kapag umupo siya, we have two options now with Gani and Sean who have been improving big. Actually, kahit si Seven Gigate
Yeah.
has also improved a lot from the last
Mm-mm.
time we saw him. So if these three guys are three bigs right now, sa alam natin, ewan natin kung may dadagdag pa. Pag yan tatlo na
Ano
yan,
eh, open-ended.
di ba? Hindi natin alam eh. Pag yung
Mm-mm.
mga backup natin, reserves natin, ready to step up anytime and give this type of production. Again, statistically it showed. Nabanggit nga ni Ate
Mm-mm.
Che, di ba? Kapag may pinasok, magpo-produce siya. With, hindi malayong mag-champion tayo ulit in 88. But again, that is all in theory.
Yes, ang tagal
Again,
pa rin eh.
consistency lang.
Ang tagal
Malayo
pa
pa.
bago rin nag-start yung season.
'Di ba? Sobrang layo pa. But yun yung sinasabi natin, 'di ba? Kapag ano sila. Kasi kita naman yung improvement na eh. Meron ng resulta. They've improved as a team and individually. Chico, Mark Belmonte, grabe yung mga pakalanin
Mature
nila,
na talaga
'di
sila,
ba?
yes.
Sino pa? Of course, sila Jerry. Si Jerry often hindi nakita wala siya wala, ito yung ano kay Jerry. Wala siya sa spotlight. Pero come the end of the game
Wala pa,
siya,
wala
POG,
pa,
sa top
wala pa sa
score.
spotlight nun ah.
'Di ba? Yun ang ironic sa akin kay Jerry. Hindi ko alam kung
Mm.
naiintindihan yung sinasabi
Mm-mm.
ko, 'di ba?
Yes,
Kasi,
yes.
'di ba?
Mm-mm.
He does the dirty work, he does the
Mm-mm.
scoring, he does the
Mm-mm.
leadership work, but it's all low key for some reason, for some weird reason. Ganun yung ano ni Jerry, yung effect ni Jerry. And this is also similar to how he last played as an NU Bullpup before graduating
Yun na
in
yung sasabihin ko. Yun yung sinabi ko kagabi na parang, oh, the Bullpups Jerry.
is it's been how many seasons, Jerry? Kaya
Yes,
ito na
oo.
talaga yung
Mm.
yung peak
Talagang
niya.
kitang-kita mo na parang, eto yun eh, siya talaga to eh.
Yes.
Hindi yan bago sa atin eh. Siya yan.
Ito yung potential niya, 'di ba? Yan. Who else? Of course, Jan Felisilda. We've been mentioning
Mm.
him. Rayland, syempre.
Milan.
Pag
Oh
si
my gosh.
Rayland, given na yung depensa ni Rayland, andyan yan, whether it be an off night for him or what. Pero kung yung scoring niya maging consistent in the season,
Parang unang points natin siya. Tres.
yung tres, di ba?
Mm.
Oh,
Mm. Parang,
sobrang,
okay, si Raylan yung nakashoot noon.
tsaka yung may isang move siya yung yung parang Kobe. I'm sure nakita niyo
Ay,
yun,
oo, oo.
di ba?
Oh, actually,
Grabe.
napatayo ako. Parang, wow.
Di ba? Ako rin kung andun
Ah,
ako for sure.
yes.
So pag yun na-add pa natin dun sa mga bala natin, grabe. Kita naman, alam na natin yung mga Harold eh. Alam na natin yung mga Terence. Alam na natin yan. Boring na yan. um, but then kung itong backups natin perform like they are in the starting lineup and be consistent at that, we're gonna be deadly this season. So hopefully it does come
Yes.
in akin.
Mahaba pa. Mahaba pa yung pre-season. So,
Yes.
meron pang upcoming,
Yes.
ano yun? World
Japan.
University Basketball. Yun. Wolves.
Yung league. In early August. So, ano, next week? Next
Yeah. Parang
weekend.
August
O
9.
next weekend na yun.
August 9.
And hindi tayo sure kung yun na yung last liga
Mm-mm.
before the season starts. But for sure, meron man yung mga na na
Pinap pa rin.
mga gaganap. Uh, yun. So far, yun yung natin, yung aabang natin sa team. But again, kailangan mo natin sabihin, so far, so good. We have been seeing from the team. Marami pang uh, surprises, I would say, na darating in terms of performance from the players. No? So again, as we have been saying in the past, siguro 3 seasons, hindi natin alam kung sino puputok at any given game come the season. And because all of our players are capable of doing so. Kaya whether it be a starter or a bench guy, huwag yung magulat na may isang ano dyan, may isang aangat in any given game.
Yes, correct. Mm.
At that's what can you say to the team or to the UP community after watching Phil Oil yesterday and seeing how the team played and what to expect
Yesterday.
moving forward?
Mm. Yesterday kasi, sabi ko, wow, punong-puno tayo ngayon. Kasi parang I still remember yung mga pre-seasons na nanonood tayo, na ginaw-ginaw tayo sa Philoil. Kasi ang konti lang nung nanonood. Pero ngayon, kasi feeling ko kasi dati, hindi rin ganun na ma-market yung pre-season.
Yeah.
Hindi kagaya ngayon na like parang anong tawag dito, parang well marketed siya sa
Mm,
social
oh,
media
correct.
natin as a team, and also yung mga social media ng mga players, and also yung mga um bukod pa dun sa social media ng mismong liga. So it's good na marami tayong natututunan in terms of like the way we play. Yun nga yung mga comparison ko nung unang game natin ng Phil Oil to our finals game. Makikita mo yung improvement if sumusubaybay ka dun sa liga. And also, still, marami pa rin mga kailangang ma-improve, but we are seeing good team. Like good team here. Parang ang taas pa rin nung tsansa at saka nung heart ko na magba-back to back champions tayo come UAP season 88. But yun nga, ibang-iba yung preseason sa ligang sa UAAP League. So we'll see. Maraming months pa na darating at marami pang pwedeng mangyari sa roster natin, and also dun sa mga improvements natin dun sa mga players natin. But so far, so good.
Yes. Ano, eto, naisip ko lang ngayon. If you were to rate this preseason, hindi, Phil Oil na lang, Phil Oil. If you were to rate this Phil Oil campaign ng ating team, out of, ano mas madali? 10? Sige, 10. Anong bibigay mong ano?
Sige, bibigyan ko
Rating?
sila ng ano, wow. Akala mo talaga coach eh, no? Bibigyan ko sila siguro mga 8.3. Wow.
Wow,
Hindi
sakto.
mga 8, bakit? 8.3.
Tama, tama.
8.3 kasi parang meron pang mga 1.7 na ano, na kailangan pang pagtrabahuhan. Kasi actually hindi siya 1.7 kasi you will never reach perfect din naman.
Yeah,
So,
tama.
ang daming
Correct,
dahilan.
correct.
Ninumero lahat. Pero kasi 8.3 mataas na siya. Kasi
Mhm.
kung 1 to
Yep.
183% na siya. But yun nga, kasi bilang may mga bagong pasok, hindi naman, parang, syempre, yung team naman, continuously nagmo-move naman siya. So, yung mga bagong pasok, mga bagong nagsi-step up, we see potentials in them, and also we see their contribution and
Yep.
significance sa team natin. Kaya 8.3. So, kung umabot tayo ng mga 96% uno na yun, di ba?
Yep.
So, 96 okay na. O parang aim for uno naman lagi tayo
Yun na
sa
yung
UP.
ano, oh,
So,
yun na yung peak, kumbaga.
yun na yung pick natin. But I can still see na mag improve pa din tayo from here. Kasi yung improvement nga natin sa first game to championship game, ang laki na. So, ilang months lang yun. So, ang dami pang months hanggang sa umabot tayo sa first game natin sa UAAP at saka yung campaign natin within UAAP. So, yeah.
Yes. So, actually, ako rin
8.3.
8.3 for Adoche, okay? Ako inisip ko nga rin, it's either 7 or 8. Kaya dahil dyan, sabihin ko lang 7.5. Para medyo, ano, equate ko sana yung, kung 8 bibigay ko, sabihin ko, yung kulang doon is yung dalawang talo natin.
Mm.
Doon ko anuhin, doon ko sa ilalagay. Pero yung, naisip ko, aside from those losses kasi, parang meron pa tayong, kasi yung na-mention mo nga kanina, yung paano tayo maglaro nung unang games.
Mm.
Sobrang layo eh, from the, kasi nga kalawang pa, simula pa lang tayo nag-training noon. So, I would take that into account, no? So, kaya 7.5. I would give it 7.5. Yes,
Masyado pa
nag-champion
rin
tayo.
naman.
Ha?
Masyado pa, hindi, 60 nga pala yung passing natin.
Oh,
So, 7.5. Mm-mm.
mga, which, kumbaga, i-round up po 8 din. So, more or less 8 din yung binigay ko. But, yeah, it's a testament to how we, knowing the potential nga ng players natin, knowing how we can be as a team, there's so much more to look out for. Again, yun nga, with this championship, with this win, all the more it gives us more chances to, hindi, yung image of being the contender come UAP season, hindi mo na matatanggal yun kasi nga nag-champion tayo dito sa Phil. But then again,
Champion tayo eh.
ha?
And defending champions tayo eh.
And defending
So,
champions, oh yun, all the more, di ba? And defending champions tayo. So, with that, nandun yun. I mean, if we can do our best to not hype the team up, but then again, wala eh. Ito eh. Ito yung gusto natin mangyari eh. Kaya, wala tayong ibang choice kundi sabihin na hindi tayo underdog. Kasi hindi naman talaga tayo underdog. And however, on our end naman, the potential will just be potential at not until magawa yung yung kailangan gawin. So that's what we've been saying here the whole time, even the past seasons. Kahit naman in season, sinasabi pa rin natin yun eh. Kasi yung simula, iba pa rin dun sa, the first round is different from the second round. So all the more, it's all gonna boil down in the Final Four or the finals. Kasi yun talaga yung wala nang bukas yun eh. Yun na yun eh. Dapat mag-perform na tayo dun if we get there. But for us to get there, we have to do the work first. And so far, again, what we've been saying, the results have been on track. Siguro yun yung magandang term for it. We are on track in reclaiming the title in season 88. But then again, that's too forward looking as of now. Let's just enjoy this championship first. In the preseason, we still have
congratulations, boys.
ha.
Congratulations, boys.
Congratulations. Oh, maraming salamat again. The coaches, the players, everyone from the team for giving us something to be proud about, be to cheer about. Safe to say the UP community is alive and well, at least in terms of supporting the UP Fighting Maroons. So, salamat. So much more left to see. Ate Che, anything else from you? Bago tayo magano.
So, congratulations, guys. See you soon.
Yes.
Parang, ito na yung last preseason game natin dito sa Pilipinas, di ba? So, see you
Okay.
soon. See you sa season 88.
Kita-kits, guys. Thank you again, Ate Che. I miss you. Hope to see you soon din. Tayo din pala. Sana makita na rin
Oo
tayo.
nga, no?
Oh, and everyone else from Maroon Talk family. Hope to see you guys soon. And again, congratulations to the UP Fighting Words for getting the third straight Phil Oil Championship. Wala pang nakagawa nun yata? Or sila yung second team? Or wala pa. Wala pang gawa nun.
First ever. Yes.
So, again, another history-breaking feat, record-breaking feat by this team, by this coaching staff. And hopefully, next year, dito pa rin tayo for Phil. Tayo rin makukuha ng championship, no? Okay. We'll see you guys. Maraming salamat,
See you
everyone.
guys soon.
If you have
Thank you,
questions,
guys.
put in the comments. Maraming salamat, everyone. As always, congratulations and UP fight. See you guys. Bye, ate. Thank you.
Bye.